In the entire world, there are only 6 men destined to sit above everyone else in the world of rap and automobiles. Not ordinary collectors, not casual buyers, but the true holders of the rarest machines humanity has ever built. 6 names, 6 thrones, and by the end of this list, you'll understand why nobody else even comes close. 6th place, Birdman. We open the gates with Cash Money's own Birdman. His weapon of choice is a Bugatti Veyron, once crowned the fastest production car on the planet. A machine built not for streets, but for legends. While others chased hits, Birdman chased horsepower, and he caught it. This wasn't a purchase, it was a coronation into a world very few will ever enter. 5th place, Drake claims his place with the Bugatti Veyron Noir, the darker, more dangerous sibling of the original hypercar. Matte black from hood to tail, an engine that growls like it's daring you to look away. Drake built an empire on doing excess with precision, and this car is proof. Nothing about his world is accidental, not even the paint. 4th place. Post Malone shocks everyone by claiming a McLaren Senna XP, a machine engineered purely for the track, stripped of comfort, built entirely for speed. Aggressive lines, a body that looks like it's already racing while standing still. Behind the tattoos and the gold teeth is a man who understands real engineering and chose a car that proves it. Quick pause before we go further. If this is already blowing your mind, hit subscribe right now, because the next 3 names are about to change everything you thought you knew. 3rd place, Travis Scott. Travis Scott secures 3rd place with a Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300+, one of the fastest machines ever legally allowed on public roads. This isn't just a car, it's an extension of everything Travis represents. Chaos, speed, and an obsession with breaking every limit placed in front of him. Very few humans alive will ever own something this rare. 2nd place, Jay-Z's hidden treasure. Jay-Z reappears, this time with a Mercedes-Maybach Exelero, a prototype so exclusive that only one was ever built on the entire planet. No mass production, no second chance to own one, just a single perfect machine that Hov made sure ended up behind his own gates. Most collectors will spend their whole lives searching for a car like this. Jay-Z simply already has it. 1st place the throne, and now the #1 spot, and once again it belongs to Jay-Z. His Rolls-Royce boat tail is reportedly worth close to $28 million, one of only 3 ever created on Earth. 4 years of pure craftsmanship went into building it, down to a champagne cooler calibrated for his exact favorite bottle. This isn't transportation, this is a monument, proof of what an empire built from absolutely nothing can eventually become when the vision never stops. 6 names, 6 thrones. Which one shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments below. And if you want more content like this, hit subscribe now, because this list is only the beginning.